Let's see questions on circulatory system. Question number 1. How many kinds of blood circulation run in our body? And the choices are 1 type, 2 types, 3 or 4 types. And the answer is actually 3 types. Systemic circulation, which is apart from lungs and heart. Coronary circulation, which is pertaining to heart. And pulmonary circulation, which is pertaining to lungs. Next one. Which artery carries blood to the lungs? Pulmonary, renal, sciatic, superior vena cava or inferior vena cava? First of all, superior vena cava is not artery. Renal is all pertaining to kidney. Sciatic pertaining to leg. The pulmonary, which is always pertaining to lungs, is the answer. The answer is pulmonary artery. Remember, pulmonary artery is the only artery which carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. Which is biggest artery in blood circulatory system? And the choices are pulmonary, renal, sciatic and aorta. And the answer is aorta. Which is biggest vein in our body? Choices are inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, none of them or both of them. And the answer is both of them. Vena cava, they actually bring blood to the heart, and these are actually bifurcated into the upper one, which is superior, going towards the head, and the lower inferior one going towards the lower part of the body. Next question, why blood is red? It is very tricky question. Most of the people, they end up in writing wrong answer. Plasma is red, hemoglobin is red, heme plus carbon dioxide forms a red color, heme plus oxygen forms a red color. Most of the people, they will write answer 2, which is hemoglobin is red, but the answer is 4. Hemoglobin plus oxygen combination forms the red color, and you will find that veins are blue in color, whereas arteries, they are actually red in color inside because of the combined heme plus oxygen color. What is heme? Is it a carbohydrate, fat, protein? And the answer is heme is protein.
Thank you so much, friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.